you know, even the payment cycle, the mortgage, that's also a bit longer, say down the line 6 months or that one. So managing the cash flow and, you know, looking ahead for the strategically planning for the further, you know, developments also, maintaining that kind of balance, keeping the team also happy. This is the biggest.
Always the biggest challenge.
I mean, as far as I am concerned, I face that. If you ask Vinay, he may be having some other answer to that. So this is the area where I really face.
Textile to finance.
I told you, like, I have the expertise in textile, and when we thought of doing this IT, then we decided our domains, like Vinay would be taking care of the sales and I would do all the operations. So I did international business at that point in time, and it's all acquired knowledge. And done that, then I will
Glad he's come. He was planning to compete with this All Asia Business Plan competition, which is Thai All Asia Business Plan competition, which is going around now. And if you win that competition, you get $1.5 million.
Oh, great.
Okay. But the condition is that, okay, one of the team members out of the team of 3 or 4 has to be a graduate student. So I got entries. We got, I wouldn't say how many, but we got entries. We got 3-4 very good entries, right? And Shane reached the next 2 levels, but finally at one of the levels, the mentors felt that okay, his plan is not, he needs to be more mentored, right? It has to be more viable. Can you share your experience with us?
Actually, I'll tell you what the idea was.
Loudly, you know.
It was related to developing cheaper computer system. We wanted the technology to reach out in all over India, and to do so, everyone has heard about Akash tablet. We were Akash tablet. We were applying a similar technology in the laptops in Input. For that, we were developing 2 things. We were concentrating on 2 parts: the hardware and the software. For the software, we were developing an open source operating system. We haven't begun the work on it, and we are still trying to put our inputs into it, how an operating system works. We're still gathering a team to work on it. Well, it's still in the concept stage. And on the hardware thing, we have developed, we have used 2 technologies. One is the eco-friendly technology, like you can say piezoelectric substances, thermocouples, vacuum tubes. These are few technologies, and otherwise products like fuse processors, then processors other than Intel, which are better and cheaper. So basically, what we were trying to do is we were trying to cut the initial cost and the running cost as well. So to do that, somewhere in the middle we got hung up in the soft technology one, because being second year students, we don't have that much capability to develop an operating system, nor did we get particular guidance for it. Now, if you could guide us through how and where should we go for that idea, and who can help us out in that way?
See, technology-wise, I think I'm not the right person. Maybe some other techie guy could help you better in that. But as far as I know, like right now, you have heard of this LCD TVs and things like that. Right now, this new technology which is coming up, basically, you have very, you can buy these products at a very lesser. I don't know which technology are they using behind it, but they got charged with the sunlight only. Like earlier, we used to have that calculators and things like that. Right. So maybe those kind of things might help in your domain also.
Actually, what we got stuck is how to develop, and if we want to launch a whole operating system, we have to make it more user friendly to compete with the market. It's basically impossible right now to compete with Microsoft, but still we need to do something better and something of that level to compete.
I really appreciate your idea. Basically, this concept is really, if it ends into a successful venture, it's going to be a real boom in this kind of in this market. So why don't you just set up their meeting with some techie guy basically. They have some they need some technical expertise where they can cut off their expenses and end up with a product which is eco-friendly also, and plus very less in cost wise also.
okay, we'll work out something for you.
Maybe Vinay can help.
Should we fix up a meeting with Vinay?
Sure.
I think he's taking.
But that's a wonderful idea. I mean, their
Yeah, his
concept
idea is
marvelous.
brilliant, but some of the mentors felt that, how are you going to make a computer? Cost, viability, financials and everything.
That's what I was discussing with Sharan also. Like nowadays, these LCD TVs, they are the new product which is coming up in the market. It's very, very, very cheap. I mean, right now one LCD costs you around 8,000, 10,000 starting with this range. And they will come around, in the range of 3,000 or something like that. So maybe the technology similar to that might help them.
He's a bright guy.
Yes. I wish you all the best, Venu.
A group of 5 to 10 students from some college, each are coming. So they come, they talk and understand how that person became from. What should we do?
It's good to have these kind of cells also right now.
Yeah.
Way back around 10-15 years back, we couldn't find these
Couldn't
kinds
even
of things.
think of. Your coffee is on the way.
What are you saying?
Last one.
Then after 8 months, you say where you want to go and how to get there. So this is what we do help to design it. And finance is always a problem. We tell you how to link with other big ones. You hook with them. You do symbiosis with them, and when they grow, you also grow.
That's interesting.
This is what we do.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
He's Sumit as well from Grand Conference.
Right. Okay.
He's from Greenhaven.
That's okay. Sure. I've got another one. Oh yes, that's a lot. I didn't know that I'm going to meet you all, right? But anyway, you can. It's my cash. And the main thing, it happens that when you start a business or any entrepreneur, whether it is social or NGO or whatever, so the sponsor wants to know what's happening after a month, after a year. Now, the more you report to them systematically and see what's your progress, the more you get more money. Then you can lean on them lifelong.
I think we'll catch up on that and continue on that with these guys.